How PROs process split sheets in the United States. Hope that you watched our previous video explaining split sheets. If not, now is the right time to go back and check it out. Let's do an example and see how U.S. performance royalty organizations, PROs, process split sheets. We will take the whole song as 100%. Let's say songwriter 1 and songwriter 2 wrote a song together, and they get 50% each in the songwriter's share. But songwriter 2 has a publishing deal where he gives 50% of his share to his publisher. So, the songwriter's share percentages would be songwriter 1, 50%, songwriter 2, 25%, the publisher of songwriter 2, 25%. When it comes to the publisher's share, let's say both songwriters have publishers other than themselves. Now their share percentages would look like this. Publisher 1, 25%. Songwriter 1, 25%. Publisher 2, 25%. Songwriter 2, 25%. In either case, the total will be 100%. This is the way the song should be registered at the PRO. We hope that this gives you a clearer picture of how the split sheets work in the music industry and how performance rights organizations in the United States process them. Let us know if you'd like to see a video of the process of another country. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and connect with Modern Musician on Facebook.